All right, so negative 1x squared minus 6x squared. So negative 1 minus 6 is going to give me negative 7x squared. Then I have a positive 5d and a minus 1d. So 5d minus 1d.
4D.
D. 'And that looks like 24 through 32. They're distributing a negative number this time, not just a positive. Be careful with that. 24, negative 3 times a positive a, negative 3a, negative 3 times a positive 5, minus 15. 27 right underneath it.
Oh, third.
We'll get there. I have a negative 6 times negative 2, positive 12. Negative 6 times a positive 3x. So negative 6 times positive 3 is a negative 18x. Okay, 29. It's a minus sign out in front. So I have a negative 1 times 1 6. Negative 1 6, right? Negative 1 times a negative 1/2. What does it give me? Negative times a negative?
Oh, positive.
Positive 1/2 x. And you're right, I think we should do 31 or 30. Everybody know how to put fractions in their
Yep.
calculators? What? Yeah, it's easy. Okay, I have to distribute to 1/3, right? 1/3 times 6n, or 1/3 times 6 is what? 1 divided by 3 times 6. 2. Told you it was 2.
Negative.
2n, right? 1/3 15 at 5t. 1/3 times 15. 5.
How do you know that?
Just 15 divided by 3 is fine.
Oh.
And you have a 1 in the numerator, so 1 times. You guys kosher? Cheyenne, is this boring to you? Oh. Sorry. You guys know how to find perimeter?
Yeah.
Let's see what this puzzle says.
The length.
Circle the expression that does not represent the area. So we got to figure out the area, not perimeter. Outside shaded rectangle. Well, what's the shaded rectangle? You guys see a shaded rectangle? Do you see a shaded rectangle?
I don't know. No.
Uh,
We just like not do.
I'm assuming that the whole thing's shaded. I'm looking at the answers here.
I don't think
Okay.
so.
Well, because if you do the whole thing here,
Oh, worse.
if you shade the whole thing, you have 4, because it's the one that's not, right? 4 times the quantity, because area is length times width. Or base times height, either way. So I have 4 times, and then this length is going to be x plus y, right? So the area length x plus y times 4 is your width. So s works. K, they just distributed the 4, and t does not work. So t, write its letter in the corresponding numbered box. So t does not work. So number 1 would be t. Get it?
No.
Because this expression does not work for the area. That means that's the one you circle. Number 1 is t. T. I'm going to do 2. Let's see which one's shaded. So, A, 7, A, B. So the whole thing is shaded again because this one works, but that one don't. So it's H. There, I did the hard ones for you. 2 is H.
What is the? Yeah, it
They're just distributing it. So they start you off. So the other answer is going to be 9B. 9B is E.
is.
I know the first word, it's the.
So really, I haven't discovered that.
Okay, I got to stop recording because I